Hello, and welcome to Senior Artist Drops. I'm Angel Mercado, and today I have an announcement. I have great news for you. At least for me, I'm accomplishing something that I've always been wanting to accomplish, and that is to add mindfulness into my drawings. And how are we going to do this? Please listen to the rest of the video, and I will tell you. Hello, and welcome to Senior Artist Drops. I'm Angel Mercado. I have an important and exciting announcement to make. Today we're taking my channel, Senior Artist Drops, in a brand new direction. We will be doing our drawings like we do every week. I have one in English and one in Spanish. But also to this, I'm going to add something that I know has been missing for a long time. The reason why I decided to become an artist, the reason why I've been doing this for 35 years, something like that, is because I made my mind that I was going to do this in order to help me. And it has helped me. It has improved my life immensely. And the way it does, or the way it did, or still does, I guess, is by introducing a new tool to the channel. It's mindfulness. Think about when, I don't know if you meditate. I do meditate every day, and it's something similar. The only thing here, we're going to have pen and paper, and we'll be drawing, so it will be a little bit different. But drawing to me is not, or teaching drawing, it's not just teaching skill just so you can get better at it, but also to me is to it helps me, keeps me focused on the moment, keeps me motivated, gives me a sense of peace, mindfulness. And that makes such a difference when you look at your art like that, because it makes you more relaxed. It's not like you're expecting to do this or making the mistake. No, you take it slow, peacefully. I know a lot of you probably are doing this as a hobby. And what better way to do this as a hobby, and also that's going to help you relax. It's going to help you be present in the moment. And there's where I want to take my channel. I believe that through drawing, we can use the mindset, the mindfulness, as a tool to help us deal with everyday life issues. Because for a moment, while we are relaxed, while we have the paper in front of us and the pencil in hand, we can just forget about the outside world. This is the only world that matters right now, what is in front of me. And that is what I want to add to my channel. I've been doing this, I have about something like 80 videos or so, but I always been planning to incorporate the mindfulness. And I'm so glad I'm finally taking that step. So I hope you are going to be joining me on this new journey, because with all my heart I believe that is the reason why I teach also. Not just to teach a skill, not just to make $1, but also because I know deep inside of me that I'm helping somebody, that I'm making life a little bit easier. And what is better than making life easier by teaching somebody skill and at the same time helping them to cope as a person, to cope with the everyday issues we have. So I hope you are going to like the new direction. Just keep an eye on my future videos. Ring the little bell, that way you know about my new videos when I publish them. And I hope I'm going to get to see you again. I'm so excited about this. I hope you will be too. By the way, I would love to hear from you about this idea. Some feedback would be great because that's how I know, how to guide my channel so more people can get more out of it. So if you would, please drop me a little comment and see what you think about the idea of incorporating mindfulness into this. Because, like I said, I've been doing this for such a long time, and to me, mindfulness is part of the drawing. It cannot, to me, they're both linked together. So it will be nice. Let me know. Till next time. Goodbye.